The F-Pace SVR is a regular sight in our workshop these days. These cars are already very potent from factory, but we're experts in unlocking the true performance potential of these engines. This stunning black example has already been in for a remap. The customer is back today for our upper pulley upgrade. This is a really popular modification we carry out on almost a daily basis. By changing the size of the pulley, we alter the gearing of the supercharger, increasing boost and allowing us to unlock more power and performance. These engines respond incredibly well to our upgrades. With the addition of the uprated upper pulley, we also enhance the remap to ensure we're extracting maximum performance and the best possible driving experience for the owner. Now let's get it back on the dyno and get some final numbers. Get in touch to find out how we can enhance your car. Call us today on 01789 77 4444 or email info@viezu.com.